Arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5.
All right, we're off. Everybody's through the start-finish gate. Looks like we lost Jaws. And said Hondo. Looks like we lost Sheepers too. All right, guys. We got Meanwhile coming through this tunnel, coming through the start-finish gate. He is now our first place leader. All right, guys, we're coming up in the last 20 seconds or so right here. You want to? Envy Astro takes over first place with a 29.8 on his last lap. Oh. We are coming to the end of regulation time. That is time. When you cross, you will be done. Envy Astro going through Michael's ladder, Jacob's ladder, coming through our tunnel. Start finish gate. Envy, you're done. Good job. 4 laps, 3 laps, 136. Meanwhile, 3 laps, 136. So, Nurk, you're done. Good job. Said Hondo, you're done. That is everybody. Everybody is down. I'm about to lose my screen.